How to check in American Airlines app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To check in easily using the American Airlines app, follow these steps. First, download and open the app. Make sure the American Airlines application is installed on your device, and if not, then you can go ahead and install the application from your App Store or Google Play Store. Now, sign in to your American Airlines account using your login credentials and locate your trip. Navigate to the Your Trips section to find your upcoming flight and start check-in. Tap on the check-in button and you can do this starting 24 hours before your flight departs. Accept the terms and conditions and choose your seat if you have not already selected one. And if needed, add checked bag and pay any associated fees. Your bag tags can be printed later at the airport kiosk by scanning your mobile boarding pass. So, this is how you can check in to American Airlines in app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.